Day 4. Our destination for the day was Sonamarg. Sonamarg, also known as the Golden Meadow, is at an altitude of 8,900 feet above sea level. Sonamarg is the gateway to Ladakh via the Jojila Pass. 15 kilometers away is Baltal, the base camp for trek to Shri Amarnath Ji Holy Cave.
You can take yours also. हमको बता दो उससे ले सकते हो. हाँ, okay. हाँ जगह का हाँ
कंफ्यूज ना होता है।
yesterday I was saying हमने कहा बेकार में जबरदस्ती हम लोग क्यों कूद रहे हैं और इस साइड देखो
ये देखो
This is the Sindh River, which is a major tributary of the Jhelum. The source of the river lies in the Machoy Glacier, east of the Amarnath Temple and south of the Jojila Pass. This river runs along all the way to Sonamarg. We ended the day on a divine note by visiting Gurdwara Chhati Pasha in Srinagar. This Gurdwara is located outside Kathi Gate of Hari Parvat Fort at the site of the house of Mai Bhagbari, who had been long yearning for a glimpse of the sixth Guru. Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji fulfilled her wish by visiting her and wearing the famous gown which she has sewn for him.
face this side, you said
हाँ,
that is
so
what he was
वही
telling.
वही समझा रहा था वो।
He's a
I did not speak well yesterday also, and I had not had wine.
like they say, all good things come to an end. So today being the last day of the Kashmir reunion of Ogrovian 75, I would just like to have your comments and your views about how the trip was. Gautam?
Ladies, it should start
No, no.
with the ladies.
No,
So if it has to start, okay.
Yeah.
The spirit of Ogrovians has come to the fore. We have had such a wonderful get together and we have had a wonderful time. It was blessed by the Almighty and followed in command by Hanspal. He arranged everything so well that we could fit in things which we were just imagining and thinking that it may not happen, but he made it happen. So it was a grand get together, and this can be a lead for the rest of us, whoever is watching this, that every such program in future will be as good, if not better.
Thank you, Gautam. Ramgain, what are your views on this trip?
Yeah, I'll tell you. In fact, I'd just like to tell you the background. In fact, I'd been talking to Hanspal for quite some time, and in fact, I wanted to visit Kashmir for very long. And I told him sometime last year that I want to visit Kashmir. Can you make some
It was in October, I believe.
can you make some arrangements for me? And he said arrangements sab ho jayenge, but the best time to come is in April. So I said okay, fine. But he said yeah, I'll make the arrangements in April. And then suddenly the whole thing. I mean, basically I was supposed to go, and he said that I'll make arrangements for you. Tum aao. And then somewhere down the line it got converted. Let's why not have others also joining in. I said I have no issues with that. Let others join in. The more the merrier. So it's just that I was on a personal level as asking you, and he said no. Let's. I said fine, that'll be good. So we, then he put out. I said you put out this thing on the 75 group that all those who want to join, let us know. And then he put out a message on the group, and after the message, then the confirmation started coming in. After that, I talked to a few people also personally, and they wanted to come, but everybody had an excuse not to come. So, but anyway, it's their miss, it's their hard luck, I must say. As far as the trip is concerned, it's been excellent, and the arrangements have been almost to the T, and the people here have been, the participants, the batchmates have been very nice. We have really gelled very well. The weather has been excellent to us, and the sites that we got to see, excellent. And all in all, even the stay, the breakfast, the kind of things, and time has just flown by. I mean, we have not been able to, actually, even for a moment think what we did. We've always been thinking ahead. Always been thinking tomorrow. What's the bucket for tomorrow? Things like that. But everything has been done very well, and thanks to Hanspal for this. Single-handedly, he's organized the whole thing.
Thanks to all for coming and joining in.
Yes, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Thanks to all the people for coming and being one. I mean, we have been one. We've part, together as one. We have gone, and I mean, it's something that I don't imagine it would be that successful. It would have been very nice, I thought, but then it's been much beyond what we expected. Everybody is very good.
Sure.
So thanks, Hanspal, once again.
Thank you,
and thanks
Ramgain.
everybody for coming.
Thank you.
Now Acharya will give his expert comments.
Take up speed.
Yeah, our blue-eyed boy, Hanspal. We are not going to lend you to a grove. You just take care of our batch, yeah. That's it. We are not going to lend you to a grove.
Anytime.
Yeah, he is too good. Administratively immaculate. I mean, he can put any corporate honkos to shame. I mean, he's done it so well. Right to the minutest details, whether it is selection of the tour destinations or whatever instructions he has given behind our back, they've all fructified fantastically. Whether it's a lunch at or a dinner at very different venues. I mean, we saw the conditions in Gulmarg, full of snow. We saw in Pahalgam. You all visited Sonmarg today, and all the venues, so well planned. And I mean, thank you so much, DS.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Acharya.
And just one thought finally. Please give us a chance also in future. I would like to organize one for all in Bombay
Alright, that's great.
or Mumbai.
Come on.
And I'm ready for it. But people right now are saying that okay, our 50th year celebration should be in Ogrove. But in case you all don't want it in Ogrove, you can
Have
give
it in
Bombay a chance. I would love to do it.
We'll just.
I would love to do it. Of course, I will not be able to match this. I will not be able
it'll
to
be,
match
it'll be better
this.
than this. Yeah, no.
But I will try my best because he's just set the gold standard already. So it's not going to be easy for followers. Anyway,
Oh, thank
all
you.
the best.
Thank you, Chara.
Yeah.
Super. I think you start from there, I'll sum it up.
Kamal, who has joined us in this trip, and we are very thankful to her that she has come and been part of this trip. Just want to know what she has to say about this.
First of all, I endorse what all the three have said, and without you, it would not have been possible. And you've made a dream come true for many of us. This is my first visit over here, and in such a beautiful place. And then, of course, meeting all the school friends after, I think, 50 years or what? 45, 50 years. But it doesn't say, it seems as if such a big gap was not there, ever. And thank you so much. And we look forward for more trips
Okay, thank
being
you.
organized by
Thank you, Kamal. Rashmi,
Okay, I'm a non-Ogrovian.
but you are an Ogrovian.
Yeah, but now I consider myself part of the group because I've been included so well in the family. So I'm so thankful to all and obviously you, Mr. Hanspal, you have brought this together and made us feel so at home. Not for a moment do we think ourselves as outsiders.
No, you all are Ogrovians.
We are all Ogrovians.
All the spouses are Ogrovians.
No, now, earlier it was extended family, but now we
Now
are
we
part
are
of
yeah,
you. And thank you so much
Thank
for
you, Rashmi.
everything.
Thank you, Rashmi.
And thank the entire group also.
Okay, thank you. Niti,
Niti.
what are
My
your
God,
views
I'm
on the trip?
my views.
Have you come for the first time to Kashmir?
Way back I had
Way back.
come.
That was only yes,
that
okay.
was after. But this was on my bucket list, and you made it come true, made it happen, and I'm really happy. Initially, when I broke my leg, so I thought I won't be
Yeah.
able to come, and I was pretty disappointed about it. But thanks to Kamal and Manju, they
Motivated you
they
to come.
motivated me, and I could
And
make
thanks
it.
for coming and joining us. in
And
spite
of course,
your
it was a
health.
beautiful and wonderful experience, and the hospitality, and I have no words to express. And thanks, Hanspal, and all of you.
Thank you, Niti.
And
Thank you so much.
Now, Swati, the leader.
Thank you so much, Dr. Saab. Thank you so much. This holiday has come out of the blue for us, and we had not decided that this is going to happen, but it happened. So thank you for this. And there's a long list of thanks, because everything, our staying, our eating, our going around, our transportation, everything was so good that everything was very nice. So I don't have words to really describe, but it was very, very nice. And we would have missed
we missed Jyoti
We had
also.
missed Jyoti, and she should have been there.
That will be conveyed.
Yeah,
To her.
please. Yeah. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Swati. Mrs. Chakravarti, Monideepa.
मेरा भी ये ट्रिप बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ।
आप पहली बार कश्मीर आए क्या?
पहले हमने भी मैं चाइल्डहुड में एक बार आया था, तो बहुत ही छोटा था उसी टाइम। और हमने जब गौतम से सुना जो यहाँ रीयूनियन होगी, तब तो हमने ऐसे ही लगा जो कश्मीर इतनी अच्छी प्लेस है, वहाँ तो रीयूनियन बहुत अच्छी और भी मज़ा आएगा कि, इसलिए हमने बहुत इंटरेस्टेड थे। और यहाँ आके हमारा पूरा मैंने जो कुछ हमने सोचा था, मैंने वो तो उससे ज़्यादा हो गया। मैंने इतना आनंद पाया हमने, जो पूरा हर जगह टूर जो विज़िट करना, जो इतनी अच्छी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस हमने सब इतनी हमारा फ्रेंड लोगों के साथ हमने गए थे। और यहाँ आप लोगों का भी हॉस्पिटलिटी बहुत अच्छे है। और
Thank you, Mr. Chakravarti.
ठीक है।
Now-
I'm not going to say very much. He has already said that she's not going to leave the mic. And
no,
if
you-
I say outstanding, then she's going to say
No,
that
no.
I say
And now
outstanding.
finally, Manju from Dubai.
So, but yes, I do definitely want to express myself on this trip, and when the plane, I cannot tell you all with what difficulty I have come. I have some situations back home that needed addressing, but I think a commitment to friends is above everything else. And when the plane took off from Dubai and I was taking that flight alone, and I was thinking I have a long journey ahead, I have to go to Delhi, I have commitments of family, and then I have to come here. And I had not met our boys' classmates, so obviously I was, a bit, what should I say?
Apprehensive.
Apprehensive, I can say that. But now that the trip is over, I can tell you that every once in a while, God makes a fairy tale, and I think He made the fairy tale happen this time, because there was magic in everything. There was magic in the relationship that we all built. There was magic in the weather, and there was so much magic in every single day that happened. I just think when I recap the 300 or 294 steps that we climbed on the temple, and I was thinking, can I make it? Can we all make it? But each one of us made it. I think that was magic. That beautiful temple with the biggest, longest shivling was magic. To me, it was great magic. And when we entered the tulip garden, that was magic at its highest. I cannot imagine. I saw the most beautiful colors of orange, yellow, white, and it was just one row after the other, endless rows of tulips, and I wanted to embed myself in that bed of tulips and just get embedded in that earth forever. It was so beautiful. I wanted to make that moment eternal. But then when we went to Gulmarg and I saw the beautiful mountains with ice-capped, not just peaks, snow all over, it was a great adventure. Of course, there was a big fear of falling down and slipping. But other than that, just going up till that end, which said 3090 meters, was a big challenge. But once that was achieved, that was a massive memory in my heart. I thought it was lovely. And then when we came back, we thought, okay, now we'll go to Sonmarg, but we've been to the best. But then Sonmarg was another story itself. And shopping was fun with friends. And it was wonderful to know you, Rashmi, to know you, Swati. It was wonderful to interact with you. I know Niti and Kamal are my childhood friends of 50 years. But it was wonderful to know both the Dineshs. It was very nice to know Gautam. It was wonderful to interact with you all. It was, just to sit and sing together or listen to songs and be peaceful along the journey. So it wasn't just about the destination. It was about the journey as well. And I think all in all, that was magic at its best. And when I fly away tomorrow, I'm going to capture all these things in my heart and I'm going to put them in my memory box forever. Thank you so much. But I cannot close without saying that we miss Jyoti very much.
No, actually-
Really missed her, and I wish she had been there on this trip. But please tell her that we missed her and hope that next time she'll be with us. And a huge thank you, and most important, hum saath saath hain.
Thank you, Manju. Lovely.
PDF फाइल उसमें से निकाल के
This is the lovely cake.
Okay. Come on.
Big thank you to Hanspal.
Thank you to Hanspal.
Come join in cheerful song. The honor of a school upholds with voices clear and strong. We leave the blaze and heat, our homes and friends below, and on these rugged mountains meet. Life's purpose is to know our glorious valley green, with golden hills around. As games we play with vigor keen, the talk with shouts resound. In classrooms and in fields, for Grove has made her name. We strive and hope our time will lead new glories white her fame. We love this school of ours, we are Oak Grove children true. We serve her in her darkest hours, and in her glory too. This place wherein we live, where gems of desert round, claims honest work which we must give, regardless of renown. And when we leave Oak Grove, embarking on life's seas, we'll never forget the school we love, but loyal to her be. In future years we pray, God's blessing she may see, and that her sons and daughters live in all